Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli da ka education loan. Pila urban chukol ha number khandai nyo saw san rio pranon lani khandai pran rio license an riway khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan Managing Director jongka East Khasi Hills Milk Association uba steady Shangpliang ha ka shpotrik unaitung arasa apulai ula pelai patba ya ka kali Hyundai Exter Thymmai ha ka jingalang ka balalong ha showroom jongka Shillong Hyundai ka badan ha ka snong maoyong rim Shillong Hakajing pelaj patba ya kani kali Thymmai la sakhi lang daw Managing Director jongka Shillong Hyundai uba Kiti Marbanyang manager uba Krishan Khongwer kinong sha khot sngobha bar kinong tre jongka Shillong Hyundai.
We are all excited for this moment we've been waiting for. Let me welcome each and every one of you for this day. For you have spared your valuable time. New launch of ours, Hyundai Exter. New Hyundai Exter. Think outside, think
Anytime, every time, blue skies, sunshine, outside on my mind. Outside on my mind.
Hey Hardik, your team is here.
Let's party.
Outside on my mind.
Hyundai Exter. Think outside, think Exter.
We would like to welcome our chief guest who will unveil the vehicle by Steady L. Shangpliang, MD of East Khasi Hills Milk Union. He's the MD there, and well, they're doing a very wonderful job, and congratulations to you, Steady. And we thank you for being here with us, and also each one of you who spared your time to be with us, the press. We thank you for covering us today. Well, I believe that this is going to be a very exciting vehicles for our sale consultants, and which will also serve the customers' wants of SUV. At the same time, they can use it because of the size. They can use it inside the city. So, thank you, Bakrishan, and thank you all for being here.
Let me share something about Hyundai Exter. Hyundai Exter, it completes the full picture which covers from the entry level of the SUV up to the top level, which we call it Hyundai Tucson. Let me share with you few first in segment features of Hyundai Exter, why it is unique in the market. The first in segment introduces, Hyundai Exter introduces 6 airbags from the standard. 6 airbags. Second, it first in the segment in terms of 60 plus BlueLink connected features. And then first in segment again over the air updates for the infotainment and the built-in 3D maps, built-in 3D maps. Again, first in segment in terms of dual camera dash cam. I think most of you are very much excited to see this dual cam dash cam camera. First in segment in terms of paddle shifters. First in segment in terms of sunroof. Why we say think outside, think Exter? Because kat sebangi ngila benlek, kakali jongi ru kala benlek. Kata gede jumek, ngila benlek sekilung ki waru kakali jongi ru kala benlek lang. Dengilet sharp ki risiap, serisiap ru kakali jongi kala benlek lang. And then baling ong bagala benpoi sekilung jaka because of its ground clearance, kajing kenjang jong kali, but kajing keluar jong kali. Apa pisong apa pizza sutu bentar ada pila mat, pila bensyong, pila bensutu i, ba kajing keluar jong kali, apa pair nak kiwi kali. Teng-teng da pisong i kali ki bakap ni akan, pinum long comfortable ong bepin tam bepinya sekilung iwat, mo. Taki tan da pin sutu, maka kelak kami apalan, dia dah keluar i peace of mind. And then, for Shillong Hyundai, we believe this tagline that drive home a relationship, which means in Shillong Hyundai we believe to extend our family, and every time you are driving a car from us, that means you are driving a relationship with Shillong Hyundai.
I would like to thank the proprietor of Shillong Hyundai, Robert and Jolly, and the entire Shillong Hyundai family for inviting me to unveil this very exciting vehicle. So I think for the last 1 month I've been hearing about this vehicle, and I'm very fortunate that I've been chosen to launch the vehicle here in Shillong. So I'd like to thank each and everyone, and I'd like to wish the Shillong Hyundai family the very best in the marketing of this particular vehicle, and I hope that this vehicle will be more exciting than what it has been explained to us. So thank you very much.
Here Hyundai Exter, think outside, think.
anytime, every time. Blue skies, sunshine, outside on my mind. Outside on my mind.
Hey Hardik, your team is here.
Let's party.
Outside on my mind.
Hyundai Exter. Think outside, think Exter.